In the top analysis, you will find information about competitors mostly, competitors and keywords. So in general, this what is in this section, it's a detailed information from where we collected recommendation in content editor. So everything what you are seeing in the sidebar or the content length and so on and so on in the editor, it just based on the detailed information. And here we have a little bit different view, more for SEO specialist than the content writer, where you can dive deeper into your competition. So first of all, you have a competition tab where you will see your competitors, the keyword difficulty factor, top 100 preview, so you can see how the top 100 change during the time. And also if there is any subpages that we found according to your domain, to your project domain, it will be also listed here. So it's just a starting point to understand where you are in a specific moment of time with your content. Then you have a comparison of your competitors in some kind of graphic representation. So you have, as you can see, some kind of content score, how good a content score is, for example, how long is the content, yes, and so on. So how many, let's say, page links they have, yes. So this in general, it's information about your competitors that you can probably share with your team to understand if content is enough. If our strategy to be on the place number one in Google, it's enough to be covered by content. Probably in most cases, it has to be on multiple sites, on technical SEO, content SEO, and also on the authority, which means off-page SEO, to understand how improve the website ranking. Then you have the competition structure. So the competitors' titles, descriptions, headers, and so on in a list, easy to export, easy to understand where we are compared to our competitors. Then there is a section about the SERP layout and features. So when we scrape the SERPs, we also try to figure it out if there are any specific HTML elements in the pages that could lead to a pattern. I mean a pattern like, for example, when you are looking for a credit calculator, most of the top pages will have a form to calculate the mortgage, for example, yes. So that are the patterns which will help you already to understand what kind of elements should be included into the HTML. So it's a little bit deeper than just the content. And then you have a keyword ideas, all the keywords that we were looking for, like you see almost 500 keywords that we extract from the competitor content, also the related search from Google, and information why we are thinking that specific content terms are important. So here you will have information like density mainly, so how important is specific keyword. So if you just look for, let's say, running shoes, you see that our importance of this keyword is 100. We have it here, running shoes. We have it in 100 titles of the competitors, 90% of description, and so on and so on. So you can quite easily understand why, for example, we place a specific keyword in specific recommendations. So I believe that's generally all. If you have more questions, reach us on the chat. Thank you so much.